Douglas Kanja kawuono chopo e doho duoko penjo ewi lal mag ji moko adek ma oyudore Mlolongo mong'ere kaka Mlolongo 3. Kanja ochopo e mbele jang'ad bura Justice Chacha Mwita. Nyaka gi sani chenro no dhi nyime od doho kendo awinjane kaka bura dhi mbele.
So don't answer that question.
Thank you, my lord.
That's another question. You know why we are here?
My last question to you. Since you're the leading investigator of this, we have the family of the petitioners with us in court. And it has taken more than a month for any information to be provided of their whereabouts. And a day more is still long to the family of the petitioners. What did you tell them before this court today? In terms of the investigation?
My lord.
Thank you, my lord. No further question.
You are done. He has said that some of the reportees or people who should assist have not volunteered with necessary information. Do you hear that?
Yes.
What is your answer to that?
I will not believe you.
You're not bound to.
Yes.
But what is do you see the point?
I see the point.
Any other question?
No further question.
Thank you.
Thank you, my
You
lord.
can step down and you are released. So, there we are. What next?
My lord, there are still pending applications unless you've already delivered a ruling.
Did you hear it?
Not yet. Not yet. But there are some questions that were not yet answered concerning that application by the court.
I have not had any application, and when I make rulings, I mind them open.
Very well, my lord.
So, given the explanations from court for these officers, what else remains for us? If one can tell us, as I seek to give directions on what we should do with Mr. Karasatem's application. Serve that application. I hear one party has filed a response. We need to dispense with that application. Then we see now how we proceed next. Because we can't proceed until we either clear Mr. Karasatem to leave or we retain him, and now we are able to get how to proceed next. Any other person who has a different view?
My lord, the hesitance of my learned colleagues for the petitioner to respond, I wish to persuade you, is clear evidence that the purpose of this petition is now spent.
Yes?
Spent.
I don't know.
The purpose of the petition is spent. What they intended to mine from it, they have obtained, and it was not the shiny diamond that they thought it would be.
Let's not. Let's remain
Yes.
as human as we can. What I suggested, which I wanted you to answer, was we are done with what we were supposed to be here for this morning. I have an application by the fourth respondent, which we have to get out to the way, and then now we regroup and find out how do we proceed next. Remember, I had given directions that responses be filed to the petition.
Yes.
So, the fourth respondent, you had not served your application, had you? I only ask these your colleagues to get onto the portal and see the application. In the event they were not going to oppose it, they will say they will oppose it, which means we have to hear the application. So once we get that application out of the way, then we now see how we proceed. In view of what we have received and in view of the pending proceedings, he says the petition is spent. I don't know what you say. You are hesitant to suggest anything, and that's why you took the liberty to say the petition is spent. Who has a contrary view?
My Lord, we have counter review because the petition is passed and there are some orders we are seeking that I believe have not yet been spent by the applications here.
See, who has a contrary view that I should first hear the application by the fourth respondent?
We do not have any counter review regarding the application.
Mr. Barasa, I saw the application is dated 22nd and not 23rd.
Yes, my Lord, the application is dated 22nd of January 2025. That's